Hola amigos y amigas de Mindful Spanish with Sergio. I'm Sergio, and in today's lesson you're going to learn your very first 10 words in Spanish. So from this lesson on, a partir de esta lección, you won't be able to say that you cannot speak Spanish, because you will. 10 words, whatever. You will be able to speak Spanish. Are you ready to change your world? Empezamos. So here we are. These are the 10 words that you're going to learn today. Very simple, apparently, but there is always a beginning for everything, right? So this is your beginning in Spanish. So we start with hola. This H here at the beginning, as you can check on my videos on pronunciation, this H, we don't do it, okay? We don't pronounce it. It's mute. So it's hola, hola, hello, hola, hello. And the opposite somehow is adios, goodbye, adios, one word, adios, okay? Hola, adios, hey, hola, adios. Very good, can you try? Okay, very good. Now, a very useful and simple at the same time one. Sí, yes, with this accent here, okay? We'll check that in the future, don't worry about it now. It's sí, yes, and no. No. Pay attention to this. In English, no. In Spanish, no. Check the video on the vowels. We only have 5 vowels and 5 sounds. It's A, E, I, O, U. So, sí. It's not say, sí, esa. It's sí, and it's no. No. Pretty good. Okay. Now, encantado. Nice to meet you. Encantado. Hey, encantado. Encantado. Yes? Perdón. It could be excuse me or sorry. We have one word for this one, okay? Excuse me or sorry. Perdón. Encantado. Perdón. Perdón. Okay. Gracias. My mother always told me to say gracias wherever I go, whoever I am with. Gracias. Very important word to learn. Thank you. Gracias. In Spanish from Spain, okay? If you're talking about Latin American countries, they may say gracias. Gracias. In Spain, we say gracias. Very good. Gracias. Okay. And de nada. You're welcome. Hey, gracias. De nada. 2 words. De nada. Okay. Now, you know this one, don't you? Come on, Despacito. You dance this song, and you can check my video on the lyrics of the song. It's funny. Despacito, slowly. Okay, they are talking to you very quickly, and you don't get a word, and it's like this is the beginning of your studying Spanish, and they say, "Hey, despacito, despacito." Okay. And por favor. Okay, please, por favor. Despacito. Por favor. Slow down, please. Okay, slowly, please. So here you go. You speak Spanish now. Great. I would love to give you a certificate. I cannot see you. I cannot give it to you. It's hola, adiós, sí, no, encantado, perdón, oops, perdón, excuse me, gracias, de nada, despacito, despacito, por favor. Despacito, por favor, okay? And with these words, you can keep a conversation. Hey, hola, hola. Sí, sí. ¿Hablas español? Sí, sí. Encantado, encantado. Oh, gracias, gracias. Muy bien. Very well. Gracias, gracias. De nada. Blah, 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 blah. In Spanish. They're talking to you in Spanish. You say, oh, por favor. Despacito, por favor. And you have it. You have it. Great. Congratulations. Congratulations because you learned these words, and congratulations because you are here and you want to learn something and you want to learn Spanish. So if you liked this video and you find it useful, you can leave a comment down here or if you want to send me an email, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or whatever you want to tell me, do it and I'll be glad to answer. Okay, so hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Nos vemos.